Okay, this one is going to be called a Portuguese area of Macau. Actually, there's quite a few different areas. There's like kind of clusters all over the city. So a lot of times, I think recently I've been filming one in Sao Paulo ruins, Senado Square area, and one of the posters kind of wanted to see some other areas that were also a lot of Portuguese stuff. And this is another one. So, go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And this is another one. So this one is in Macau, and I'm gonna film and show you a little bit about this one. I couldn't tell you all the details about it, but I can tell you what I know. So this particular building is a pretty cool looking building for one. It says 1918 up there. So I think my understanding is that the city, this is kind of like the outskirts of the city, and then there's a Protestant cemetery that's on the other side of this. Probably might walk down that way a little bit, maybe. There's so much in this area I might not, but that Protestant cemetery marks where the end of the city was. So when people would die that were not Catholic, they were sent there, which were predominantly like British or Americans or other Protestant types that were here, probably as a missionary of some kind, most likely. There's a famous one, Morrison, can't remember his name, first name, something Morrison, but he's really well known, and I think he was one of the first, I think he's a British pastor or minister. But anyways, they were definitely here back when this was a colony. I don't know the history of this one, but this is such a cool building. And this is actually kind of a cool building too, this purple one. And this is a School of Music over here. This pretty cool little courtyard. Another interesting building. And this one, I just did a whole other video. This one is all where Sai was filmed. Sai filmed his video New Face in this one. And I have a video that you can find that should be quite recent, all about that, with some of the video as well, so you can see what it looked like. I'm going to walk down a little bit more, and this building is always spectacular. Like I don't know what the story is, because it's a little bit boarded up. Like you can see these green gates, but there's like a boarded up, and these green ones are always closed. So I don't know why that is. I think I've been inside some of these. There's like some really beautiful courtyards that you wouldn't know right away from first sight. Just for a little bit of context, there's more stuff over there, but there's more stuff in every direction. So this particular direction is one of the main streets, and this main street, let me just kind of film the street a little bit. So this kind of gives you some context of how it's connected to the rest of the city. So, and we're gonna walk into this one area over here, but I'm gonna do it in the back way. Mostly because I want to stay in stuff that's a little bit more Portuguese-ish. So what we're gonna do now is walk through this a little bit. Actually, this area, I don't know, that building says 1918, so I'm gonna guess it all was built maybe all around the same time in that era. And we're gonna basically go up this one a little bit, and I just want to show a little bit of details here. This kind of stuff is pretty cool. Those are little things that are, they usually do it for like kind of like blessings for your business, and they're, I usually associate them as usually for like ancestors. So you put that out there for your ancestors, just so that you kind of respect them and honor them. That's the way that I interpret them. I think they might have different meanings for all kinds of different people. This is a little bit of plaza. You see lots of this stuff in Macau. I'm kind of breezing by this real quick, but so anyways, this is a little Portuguese area, and right at the end of the street is going to be where the Protestant cemetery is at, and then to the right is going to be some really cool buildings that I'm going to walk through, and it opens up to a big plaza, and actually that's a popular place to kind of hang out and feel the vibe of it. And but yeah, this would be one of the Portuguese areas. Kind of has a historical connection to Portugal back when it was definitely part of the colonies in the 1910s and whatever, 20s, whenever these buildings were all built. This is the Protestant cemetery right here. So you can see that light blue building right there. And then if we go down, this will open up into a really beautiful plaza. But I'm gonna stick to this side for the time being. And actually, this is the building that I've been inside before. So there's an entrance in here. I have filmed it with the camera. I think I've filmed in there at least twice, but it's probably about a year ago. So so it might be a little bit of a challenge to find it with how many YouTube stuff I have. We're still walking along the Protestant cemetery to the left. My camera just turned off because it's overheated for a little bit too much filming, I guess. The camera isn't that strong, so let me just run across here. That was the street I was just walking down when the camera went off. And I don't think I have much time, so we're just gonna try to get into this main area here. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm gonna use my iPhone. And we're just gonna film in this one because I wanted to finish this one and show you more about this amazing center part that we're gonna walk into. But yeah, this is spectacular. That one way up there is called, it's Gia Hill. So that particular one is, that used to overlook, still does, overlooks the ocean. So if you walk up there, there's trails. It's basically a lighthouse. So they just kind of go around and show that thing. And then also if there's typhoon, they used to always put things up there so that people in the city could see what category the typhoon was, you know, category 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 2 or 1 or 3. I have filmed up there before, but it's been quite a while. So I think I'm just going to show you a little bit of how cool all this stuff is, because this is definitely a different Portuguese area that that's quite unique from Sao Paulo ruins. So let's see, kind of a cool image. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. So kind of so this whole area is people are kind of playing. So let's just kind of film around here, and then we're gonna come around to this side, capture this. So yeah, this is pretty cool. And I'm just gonna, I think I've actually walked over these buildings too, and I can't remember what the name of that is. Let's see if we can see. This camera, I can kind of zoom in a little bit. There's the steps, you can sit up on the steps and just kind of watch everybody. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'm just going to end the video here, but now you can kind of see a little bit more of what's all here. And okay, so we're going to do one more video. So this one is just overlooking how beautiful this whole plaza is. So you can kind of see a little bit of what Macau looks like at nighttime. We're just going to go all the way around here a little bit. This one right here is Gia Hill. So I did mention that a little bit. So let's see if this camera can zoom in on a little bit. There we go. You can kind of see the lighthouse up there, right? And actually, it's like a little bit of a fortress kind of thing. And this one right here is kind of a cool, I think they kind of do like artwork and cool stuff like that. So, okay. Let's see if I can go up here, and I'm just going to see if I can film from this space, because you should really see all that's around here. So yeah, this is definitely another area that has a lot of Portuguese influence. But there's patchwork all over the city, so I think this one, I don't see as many tourists. I see some, but not that many. It's good places to sit, and people will bring their kids to see what that big pole is there. This is as far as my zoom will go, but they're doing something there. Okay. Got the big circle there. Kids riding bikes. Soccer. Again, zoom out. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you enjoyed seeing this Portuguese neighborhood too. It's kind of seeing, it's not really a Portuguese neighborhood, it's a previous Portugal architecture influenced area from when this was Portugal. But there's lots of other stuff mixed in too. Anyways, I don't want to get into that, so we'll just conclude it right here. And the sun went down, I just want to catch one more final glance and before I leave. So it's kind of nighttime, but also I kind of wanted to capture this right here. This is the lighthouse. So that still is in operation. So the lights going around. Hill. I'll have to walk up there and do another video, but it's a better experience than a filming location. I mean, you got some pretty good views up there, but okay. So let's close it right here. Okay, so it's just there. So I think I can't really not film this too. This is also a pretty cool little space too. So these are these houses that have a very distinct Portugal look. These are bamboo right here. This green. So we're just gonna walk by it a little bit on this other camera, and I'll just kind of go like that, so you can kind of see the beauty of this whole area. So I'm just sticking the camera through the bamboo. Okay. And then around it, it's just kind of the other apartments. So okay. And there's a little bit more, of course. Kind of keeps going, so you can see another building over there, another building here. But basically, Macau is basically a big patchwork of Portuguese stuff, kind of scattered about all over. In certain places, it's a little bit more dense than other places. So, so here's another one. This one, the lights are on. That particular one. This one, it's not for some reason. And then you got another little building up there too. So just kind of zoom in on that one a little bit. And we'll just end it right there. I'll give you a little bit of perspective. And we'll end it right there. Portuguese? Chinese. But it's all pretty cool. I like all of it. I like the mixture of everything. Okay, let's end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.